Have you ever had the problem of having your brim, your Stetson, your Stacy in your ride and don't got nowhere to put it and don't want it to get damaged? Well, I got something for you. You want to see it? Make sure you check it out. Stay tuned and watch the whole video so you can see how we can fix this problem in any vehicle.
Living on borrowed time, so I gotta keep it moving. It don't make sense, then I gotta keep it moving. She ain't helping me build, then I gotta keep it moving. Miss me with the excuses, so I gotta keep it moving. Currency is the motive, so I gotta keep it moving. You don't work, you don't eat, so I gotta keep it moving. Goals to achieve, so I gotta keep it moving. There's them and then there's me, so I gotta keep it moving. Born broke, so the mentality's always been there. Different bloodlines, so you know it's never been fair.
What I got for y'all today is something I came across on Amazon. Now, I've been having this problem with my vehicle for a long time. I wear Stacy's and I wear brims and all that stuff, and I always seem to just toss them in the back seat or on the seat. And sometimes it's come very close to where someone is gonna sit on it. So I don't want that problem to happen. So I came across this, and I think it's gonna be a very helpful tool. We're gonna install it in the Cadillac today. So check it out, I'm gonna show you real quick. Now what we got here is a hat clip, okay? Real simple, real easy. You know what I'm saying? What we're gonna have right here, we'll have to screw these in somewhere on the vehicle, and what it'll do is it'll bend. You know what I mean? It'll bend. Of course the hat goes in here. Simple solution. So we could find somewhere convenient to put this, because we have a few little things that we can't really do in this Cadillac because of the way it's built. So let's go check it out inside the car and see if we can find somewhere to put it. Now, of course, a practical thing to do would be to put it right here, because you think it'd be, you know, easy, but you can't. Because if you look in the back right there, let's see if you can see it. If you look in the back right there, there's two little lights. You see them right there? Now those are there to tell me if the brake lights work, and they also do for the left and the right, you know, turn signal. So I cannot block the vision there, so we can't put it there, okay? And I was gonna attempt to put it right here, but whoever I have in the front, and I was gonna put it right here, but whoever I have in the front is gonna have a hard time with it there. You know what I mean? So can't do that. You see, this back here is all metal, you know? And I said I can't put it here because of the turn signals and the lights and all that. And it'd be kind of hard to put it here because no matter where I put it right here, disrupt the vision right here. So I might put it back here. I'm not too sure, but even then, if someone happens to sit back here, it's gonna, you know, kind of disrupt them right here, because it's gonna be right here above my head. But I don't think I'll have anybody here in the back. Now, another option I do have is right here, because right here I have like a metal plate or something hard, so it's not gonna disrupt none of this right here. And it's right here where the seat belt's at, so this might be the ideal place, because I could put it flush right here, and it's gonna be right here, and it's not gonna disrupt, and it's not gonna disrupt anybody because it'll be right, you know, in front of them. So it really, besides, like I said, I'm not gonna have anybody back here, so this might be the ideal place because I could just grab it if I need to, and it's not disrupting the light back here. So that may be what I have to do right now. I'm gonna try and I'm like double check, make sure this is actual metal and that my screws can get in there. I'm gonna have some self-tapping screws. So use self-tapping screws if you're gonna do that, because if not, you're gonna use a starter bit and all that other stuff. Too complicated. Use self-tappers. So that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing and putting it right here. Because like I said, I rarely ride with anybody, and I don't have too many people with me, and if they do, gonna be sitting in the front. So this should make, you know, no difference. Should be perfect. Very careful on the decisions you make, because you don't want to just start drilling and poking holes everywhere. It's gonna make it look ugly, especially with the metal. It's kind of hard to replace. In these older cars, you don't want to do that. So make sure you're precise when you figure out what you're going to do. Now here, we're just gonna go ahead and put our clip right there and make sure we can align it, and we're gonna go ahead and mark our holes, so it just makes it a whole lot easier, a whole lot cleaner, all that good stuff. All right, so mark your holes, mark your holes. And then take a look at it, make sure it's good, make sure it's where it needs to be. As you see, we got 4 options, but we're only gonna use 2. Go back, double check, and make sure that everything aligns. And now, new day, of course, new outfit. I couldn't finish up yesterday because I didn't have the stuff I needed, okay? So I had to go to the store and get it. And this is what I ended up needing to get: some self-tappers, so I don't have to drill holes and all that stuff. So let's get it done, all right? So I already went in here to drill the holes already. Don't mind this, I'm gonna make this look nice. Don't even worry about that. But we got the holes drilled, let's go ahead and install it. And now we got it tied on, it's nice and tight. Let's go ahead and see if the hat will work in here. All right, Stacey Adams. Just like that. Now you see we got it bolted on, it's nice and tight. There's a third one there, you don't have to do that. I'm not gonna do that, but this is how it ended up looking. Just take it off, boom. Now let's see if it disrupts our vision. Yep, doesn't seem to disrupt our vision. Let's get in the front seat and find out. As I'm riding in the back seat, you can see the hat holder. You know, right there, you can see it right there. And it's not disrupting my vision in the back. It'll be in a great location. I can get to it as soon as I get in the car on my side. I don't have to climb across anywhere. And it's not disrupting my vision anywhere. So, hey, that's why I like it. That's a good location for me. And it's also very useful too, because like I said, I don't like having my hats laying around where someone can sit on them or they can get messed up or anything. Right there, I know nothing's gonna happen to it. I know where it's secure and it makes it look cool too. So, hey, let me know what you think of this video. That's the hat holder for the Cadillac. I might do one to the other one. I'm not too sure yet because I don't know the direction I'm going that one yet. But if you like the video, make sure you hit like. Make sure you comment down below. And if there's something else y'all want to see me do these Cadillacs, drop it in the comments below. As always, y'all can follow me on social media. Links will be down in the description. You can follow me on Instagram right there. You can also follow me on TikTok, you know, right here as well, where I post content that I don't post on this channel. So check it out, all that good stuff. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And this has been the One Man Click, and this has been another episode of Cadillac Chronicles.